I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by the BillFodl. Get your seed phrases off of paper and into solid steel so you can have peace of mind around fire damage, water damage, and so much more. This is how I'm backing up my important Bitcoin wallets, and you can grab one today at privacypros.io/BTC Sessions.
The global bond index has never been down more than 2% on an annual basis in the last 30 years. This year, it's down 14%. And it is getting destroyed. Total debt in the world is 400 trillion US dollars. Okay? 400 trillion. Just assuming that global debt, and it doesn't, but I'm going to simplify things. Assume that global debt mimics the global bond market and the total debt is down 10% on a mark-to-market basis. That's $40 trillion of global wealth that has been marked down in price because of an increase in interest rates at the central bank Shenanigan factory. Okay, these people finally got off of negative interest rates in Europe, and they're wondering, oh my goodness, how is this happening? Guess why it's happening, you knuckleheads? Because you manipulated the price of capital, or the discount rate for capital, into negative territory. It's shameful, but true. So bonds are now a risk asset, and people are going to need to find assets that insure against other assets losing their value. As you know, I've said for a long time, from a credit perspective, I believe Bitcoin to be default protection on a basket of fiat currencies.